What is up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below. Go ahead and join the shmoney team, because we lit, baby, and we over here getting our shmoney together. From the title of the video, this is going to be a cash stuffing video. We got the shmoney here, so let's just jump right into it. As always, we are going to start with our variable expenses. So we got to get the cash wallet out. For myself, the queen, she is getting, hold on a second, she is getting $40, so that is going to be 2 20s, 20, 40. So that is for the queen. And of course, I still have not fixed this envelope, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So Kenzie baby, she actually, I'm proud of Kenzie baby because she was working, okay? She was doing what she had to do, so she got a bonus. So instead of her normal $10, she's going to get $20. So that's a $20 bill. And then Trancy is going to get, I couldn't give Mackenzie a bonus without giving Trance a bonus, but he really did not earn a bonus, but we're going to give him an extra $5. So that's a 10 and a 5, $15. And then Gasolina, for Gasolina, we are going to do $150. So that is going to be 51, $150, $150 for Gasolina. Then for Eats Out, what did I say? I was wanting to, what did I say? I think that says $10. So Eat Out is going to get $10. I am really feeling like I'm needing a new wallet, but that's not in the budget. Okay, so Mikasa is going to get, is that say $25? So that is going to be a 20 and a 5. And what is after Mikasa? So Mikasa got 25. Self-care is getting 25. This is the week that I'm supposed to be doing my hair. So, but I already brought the stuff. So self-care may actually roll over. And self-care's envelope is messed up too. I don't understand what. Self-care is getting 25. So that's a 20 and a 5. Is that right? Yep. And then miscellaneous is getting 15. I can't see that well, y'all. A 10 and a 5, 10, 15. And then love is getting $3. Was it 3 or was it 5? $5. Wait a minute. Let's see. A 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And that is it for the variables. I'm definitely about to have to do me some more envelopes. Now we are going to go into the high priority binder, and we are going to add first to the Christmas fund is getting $50. There's already 50 in the Christmas fund, so we're gonna add 50. So that's 50, 100, and then for the car fund, we are adding $50. So we already have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20. So we're going to add 50 to the car fund. So now we have 51, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350. $370 in the car fund. And then birthdays is going to get $100. We already have 400 in birthdays. So we're going to add another 100 to birthdays, which is going to give us $500 for. Oh, wait a minute, we got some other money in here. We got, hold up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 for birthdays. Period. Oh, y'all, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure you leave me a purple heart emoji in the comments. And until next time, we just got to do what we got to do so we can get this money together, baby. Bye.